Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So what I'm having for lunch today, sneak peek, I'm having barbecue chicken in my air fryer. And guys, my chicken is already done. I'm just doing a quick video guys, a quick one. So my chicken is already done and I'm gonna have this with some chips. So I'll see you guys in the next 5 minutes. Hey lovely, so I'm back. So I did say I'm having barbecue chicken legs with some french fries. So here we're just gonna do my hey lovelies, so my fries, my chips is all ready. This looks yummy already. So guys, I'm going to have this with some barbecue chicken. Yay. So stay with me guys and I'll show you the finishing. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is my lunch. Look at this guys, I'm just gonna have it, my barbecue chicken as dry as possible. I don't really like sauce of such, so I just have a bit of parsley on my chips and on the barbecue chicken. So I prefer my food to be like really dry guys, that's how I eat my food. So guys, look at this, yummy, simple, easy and delicious. Guys, thanks for your support. Continue to support your girl, Miss Lady Kitchen. Thanks for watching the videos guys. Please to like, share, comment, and turn your post notification bell on guys, that way you don't miss an update from me. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy and I shall see you in my next video. Bye, take care, God bless.